guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing baby boy names that I love and might use. You may notice some of these actually come from the baby girl names too, because some of them are unisex. So the first one on the list is James, and I just love that name. I would never shorten any of my kids' names, and so they would never be Jim or Jimmy. It's just James. The next one is Henry. I really like that, and I don't like the name Charles as a first name, but I like it as a middle name, so I really like the name Henry James or Henry Charles or James Charles, you know, something like that. I also love the name Ezra and Ian and Liam. I feel like I like short names, probably because they can't be shortened. And then Milo, Eric. I like the more Nordic style of it. I don't know why, I just do. Evan, Axel, Asher, Landon. I also like London. I feel like London could be a girl name as well. Maybe I should add that to my girl name list. I think I'm gonna do that real quick. And then I have Jasper, Jackson, Jax, which I also had in the girls, Avery, Zayden, Caden, Kai, and Bodie. Bodie was also in the girls. So I know I went through those kind of quickly. I just don't know really what to say about each and every name. I just like them. When I'm looking at a name, I like to think how it can be applied as an adult, and then also geographically where we're located. So like Kai is much more of a common name here in Hawaii where we live than it would be in, say, like, I don't know, Denver. I don't know. I don't live in Denver, but you know, I just try to think about things like that. Bodie is also a really common name here. Eric isn't really a common name here, but I do like it, and it is a family name. My brother's middle name is Eric. And Zayden, I hear that a lot, and same with Caden as well. So anyways, those are my baby boy names that I love and might use. If you guys have any baby boy ideas, please leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!